what you would have to show in order to get your IDEA services before or after school would be that receiving them during the school day is a denial of a FAPE. And practically speaking, I haven't seen people be too successful with those challenges. What's driving the whole thing, of course, is they don't want to pay for non-public agency services, private services. They want to use school personnel. School personnel want to provide the services while they're at school during the regular school day, not get there early or not leave late. So all of this sort of supplants consideration of how pulling kids out of class negatively influences the schedule. The whole idea that they're going to pull you out during some time where you aren't going to miss anything is a joke, because as that just suggests that your school day has, 50 minutes blocks where nothing important is going on. I don't think so. So this tension that the writer is describing always exists, and they're always messing with the schedule, and oftentimes people do miss things that are important. They miss social opportunities. They miss elective classes that might be more interesting than the basic 3 R's. And basically, usually people end up sucking it up because it's very hard to challenge. You'd have to have an expert come in, look at the classes, look at the schedule, see what's going on in the therapies, and then be prepared to testify about how this constituted a denial of FAPE. And I can assure you that before that change gets made, the district is going to push back very hard and make schedule changes that'll probably be annoying for the family and difficult for the kid. So unfortunately, the message is sort of kind of stuck with the pull-out services, probably, unless they can be very sympathetic, which would be unusual, and come up with some solution that's going to work. But when would you do it? During lunchtime? So then you'd miss your social opportunity at lunch. During PE, you'd miss your outdoor play with peers. That's the problem, is there's no good place to pull from. So unfortunately, I think you can raise the issue and argue about why it constitutes a denial of FAPE, but I don't think it's going to be likely to be successful.
Okay. But parents do have the choice of saying no to those services then, right, Bonnie? But that's sort of weighing what's best for your child.
In California, you can consent to the parts of the IEP that you want implemented and refuse the rest, and the district can either accept that or file for due process. But if you're going to refuse the speech and language and OT services, then you're going to have to get them from somewhere else, and that's going to cost you money unless you have insurance, and that might be a solution.
Okay.
I don't think it would be sticking out my neck that far to say that oftentimes those outside services are superior in quality.